is the bricks. I don't know.
No, but if the bricks,
I feel like the bricks is the wrong answer though.
No.
They can't be compacted, right? Because they just break. The feathers
guess,
could.
but don't they have
but
lower
what
weight?
defines a brick?
Don't we have to take that in consideration?
Because it's not saying 100 kilos of compacted feathers, right? It's just saying feathers, meaning we're just putting a lot of feathers on the scale.
Yeah, it's very
They're
broad.
definitely taking more surface area, right?
I guess it depends on how you put them on the scale, I suppose.
It depends where the scale is.
Well, that would only increase pressure rather than actual weight.
Well, there's more air weighing down on it, though.
Because isn't weight by definition just the mass of an object multiplied by the constant of gravity of the Earth of some sort of planetary?
I think that air adds a little bit of weight to things. It's just like not much. It's like a really tiny number.
So it's either feathers, because the analogy with the inflated balloon versus a deflated balloon, the inflated balloon is slightly heavier, but the feathers aren't inflated.
Well, as I said, like air's weighing down on it.
True. But you also have to account for the dust particles that add onto the feathers. Because feathers are mostly negatively charged, and negative charge adds
way
weight.
more feathers than bricks, so on average, they're taking more surface area, meaning there's more air weighing down on them, right?
Mm-hmm. But then, what defines a brick?
But exactly, what do we mean by brick? We need dimensions.
Because well, if that's the picture,
then the feathers win.
Well, no, there's one feather.
Well, what?
Okay, let's move on.
100 kilo.
Well, it's a feather that weighs 100 kilos versus a brick that weighs 100 kilos.
No, it's plural, bricks and feathers. So I guess there's like a bunch of variables that could make the answer change, honestly.
Yo.
On which planet?
Exactly.
What do you mean?
Atmosphere matters too. It matters too, the air, as we're just saying.
Because if the brick is too big, it becomes too hot, becoming a gas. Hence, it's lighter than the feathers. Hence, the feathers win. If it's too small, keeping the same weight, it turns into a black hole.
Yeah, we have to ask in what state too.
How big? What's the size?
Somehow liquefying feathers.
It feels like I'm telling someone how to make peanut butter.
I'm clicking play.
Oh.
No, this guy gets it. No, he's on to something.
No, he doesn't get it.
No, okay.
So he's gonna get some.
For the wrong reason, though.
Yeah. Oh wait, he's right. No, he's actually right, bro. Ends because there's more surface area being added towards it.
Yeah.
And heck, you have to also. The only reason bricks would ever win is hypothetically speaking about its size. If the bricks shrunk down to the size of a black hole, because they could, it could be compressed. That would be the only case.
Taking more space in that room, right?
Yeah, but feathers would ultimately win.
It's all about the vertical space. And on average, they are taking more vertical space unless the feathers are taking the whole room, right?
Well, that would only add on to pressure, like water. Water wouldn't really be weighted in that same way. The weight of water would be different, but the lower you go would be pressure rather than actual weight. Like if I had, let's say, it basically comes back down to a needle. So what we're really measuring here is no longer bricks and feathers. We're measuring one plastic needle versus a metal needle, which weigh the exact same. They're the exact same size, like a sewing needle. The plastic needle can have electrons on it. They both have air on them. One of that will have electrons. And if the bottom is electrically charged, only in that case feathers would win. So if the feathers were electrically charged, because feathers do get electrically charged just from the air particles, they would win. And electrons are way heavier than your regular particle. Are you seriously? Okay, bro.
That's true. It's true.
What?
Bro's recording the stream.
I paused the video.
Hold on. What's that one thing?
What one thing?
Am I still on, bro? Okay, let's watch this video.
thing. I mean, look at that. Zooms, self-balancing electric skates, seen on Shark Tank. Okay, I'm actually kind of excited for these. Top speed up to 7 miles an hour. Holy crap, dude. That's cruising. Bring them with you anywhere. Work? Who's like going to like their 9 to 5 in, in these?
Guys, if you want some electric skates that are self-balancing, this guy, he's a newbie, never skated before in his life. Look, he can do it like a pro. Look at him.
That was like a really abrupt cut. He definitely fell right after that. I think mine is defective. I don't know. Nah, he gets nervous sometimes.
Yo.
These are a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. All right. I don't know if I can use them in my room. Whoa! You're gonna get run over. Oh. Oh. Get out of my way. I'm gonna go full speed. I'm gonna max this thing out. I'm gonna max this 7 miles an hour out. I think you guys.
Yes, stairs. Oh, never mind. That's just a.
This is the most expensive.
Would somebody want
billion
a hoverboard in 2 parts?
Yeah.
Bro Kid Max AR glasses. It was on sale for $400.
Maybe it's more balanced. You never know.
$600.
You never know.
So let's just say it was $600. Okay. So the only thing this does is I can't really find what it does. Stupid comment.